Generally, using your computer, you are bound to download multiple things and it gets cluttered, and then basically your computer becomes slow. So in Mac, how do you clear your downloads? So I will tell you two methods. The second one is probably the best one. So both of them have their pros and cons. So the first one is going to settings, and then you want to go to storage. So you can just type in storage in search, and here you can see we have storage, and it's going to calculate our storage for us. Just give it a few seconds. And then you can see this is basically our storage. My computer is a 256 GB unit. So I can just scroll down, and here you can see the multiple categories that are using up the space. So now I'll just go to documents and hit I, which is information. So here you can see large files, and then on this side here you can see we have downloads. So in downloads, all your downloaded applications, files, all of them are going to appear over here if they are in the download folder. If not, they may not necessarily do that. So let's say I want to delete this file, right? I've selected the file. I can hit delete over here. Let's hit delete, and then it has disappeared. So it's been deleted permanently. That is one way to do it. The second way is go to Finder, and in Finder you want to go to downloads over here, and in downloads you can see all the downloaded files that you have. So let's say I want to delete these two files. I'll select them. I can select multiple files by pressing and holding command. So I have done that, and then I can right click on it and say move to trash, or I can drag and drop them to trash, or there is a third way, which is the most easiest one. You are going to hit option plus command plus delete, which is going to permanently delete it, so it won't go to trash. Now this method you have to use it with caution, because once the file is deleted, it cannot be recovered in this way. So you have to be very sure that you want to delete it. And guys, also make sure where you download your files, especially from the browser. So it will ask you for a default path, or it can ask you every time. Just remember where you've downloaded it, and then you can just delete the file. So if you've liked the video, do drop a like, share and subscribe.